So again, hello guys, and last time the network was not good. I think line cut off, so sorry for that. And we'll start from where we left. Maybe we'll start from very beginning, I think, because I forgot to save my game. So let's see how far we have come. So let's play. So first, let's play our game. So our character is moving. So we do not have camera confiner, and he's double jumping, I think. So we need to fix that too. He's double jumping like this. uh, Here he's bouncing. If you see, when we double jump, he bounces right here. Yes, here he bounces. So we have to fix that issue too, and the camera is not following us. We need to fix that issue too. So let's see other mistakes what is occurring. So here is the coins shield. So let's see max shield. So see shield. Shield 1 is good. Value is not updated. Health. Okay. Other things are good. So the camera confiner again. Cine machine 2D camera. Bring it here below camera and follow the player. Okay. Now we have to fix this issue. So come here and this like this, and screen like this, screen Y this much. This much is good. We can fill this. So this much is good. Okay. So now go to scene and simply resize it down, and let's see on game view. We expect no 69. So again, it looks good for a game. So we need to fix this maybe. Let's do one thing. Let's bring this here and bring this here. Let's cover our scene. There is better way, by the way, to solve that, but we'll do like this. And uh, so let's bring this cacti here. This is cactus for now. So again, we added a solver script, I think. Yes, and we added a patrolling enemy, and we added an enemy just that is this. So let's do that. So to our uh, let's create a folder where we can store enemies. Here we can store enemies. So reset the position. The cactus is an enemy. Okay. So let's create another game object. I will create it outside. Sprite. Let's get another empty game object and let's name it moving pet 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 enemy. So this is pet enemy, and let's get another 2D sprite and sorry, create 2D sprite and square and name it a patrolling enemy, and let's control D and D here and choose these and remove these, and here make it red for now. So patrolling enemy script goes here. So let's come here and drop down this and put this point here, and let's make So how far? This far. So let's take this and put it here and bring it here. So now normal cactus enemy and patrolling enemy is here. So now patrolling enemy, he comes here, he goes right here. Don't worry, we'll fix these two. So patrolling enemies needs box collider 2D. Okay, and a rigid body 2D, and fix this. See, so 0.2. So here we are getting problem. Why my character is not patrolling? So let's see. Let's go to script and paste it here. So let's see if the problem is fixed or not. We can also, let's see the console. We need console a bit bigger. Patrolling enemies. See, we have problem here. 1 2 patrol is stick. Okay, everything is good. Let's see. Let's see in our sim. Okay, now it is patrolling. See, so now if we adjust right here, we can see it coming towards us like this. He will come here and now go back. Now great. So our patrolling enemy is done. So we need to have a saw. So let's add another 2D game object, sprite and circle this time. Okay, so name saw blade. So I named it as a saw blade, and let's double and let's remove these components. I shift selected and removed the component, guys. That's way it's easier. And change the name way points, and this gonna be 1 and this gonna be 2. And I need to create empty and reset position, and this saw blade trap. And I'm going to bring this all here, and here we need circle collider, and another is script. So we need to have a script that is saw blade that we made using ChatGPT later. So here is the saw blade script. Simply we have a transform array for waypoints, and we have float for speed and float for spin, and we have two conditions where we check the transform positions, to move the object, and we have spin blade to spin the object, and if it collides with anything, then it will damage. If it collides with blade, then it will damage by 10. And also we need here take damage. We need to change this take damage. Okay, first copy, Control C. Let's see. Come here, saw blade is here, circle is here, so let's put it right here. Don't worry, we'll get here. Let's put it right here. Let's bring everything. Let's copy. Let's bring this thing here, and let's copy this, and it's copy world transform, and come here and paste that world transform here. Now we can copy this and bring them here. Now when we move everything in the same axis, otherwise you will have a problem, guys. So remember this this process, so you will not be confused. So now let's add a second waypoint, bring it here. First waypoint is there, and let's add waypoints, waypoint 1 and waypoint 2 right here. So let's see if this works. If this moves, then we know it moves. Yes, it's rotating, and the rotation is always 360, guys, don't forget. And we can increase the speed by just multiplying the speed. So I multiplied it by 3, so 1080. So here 1080. Now let's see if everything works. So let's see. We are collecting, we are taking damage. It is not leaving us, so this is a problem. We need to have our movie speed maybe 9. Let's remove the rigid body for now. Yes, the rigid body has a problem, the stickiness of rigid body, that was the problem. So here it also does the damage. No, it is not doing the damage. Why cactus is not doing the damage? Let's see. Oh, we the game crashed, and we forgot to save our game, and it is not restoring the script. So enemy, this is simple in the enemy script. So now also we need and also we need spikes. So I told you the enemy script is versatile script, so don't worry. So we need another script. So let me do this like small, because we are having here a problem. Let me bring it here. Maybe it will be good for us, good for you guys. Or maybe here, maybe here. So let me add a sprite that is a triangle, you know, and do this like and bring it here. Bring it right here. Control, maybe, yeah, here. So let's extend our scene. Control D, extend it. Okay, we'll jump here, here. So Control D and rotate. First we'll make it like this, rotate like this and like this. We will rotate this like 15 degrees maybe, yes, and bring on top like this, and we will just bring it here, and this will go like this, and this will come right here. Now let's see where we want to add our spike. W, we want to add our spike right here. Also we want to add some seals, some seals, yes. Control D and D, let's bring it here, bring it here maybe like this. Again, L, seal this, bring it, seal 2, L2, coin 2, shield, seal 2, shield 1, health 1, shield 1, health 1 and coin 1. Let's bring it here. Maybe we'll bring it here. So we have these, and let's increase the value. Some gives 10, some gives 5, some gives 3, some gives 60, some gives 10, some gives 20, some gives 3 coin, it gives diamond maybe 100, it gives 50. So now let's implement here. There is another, I told you there is another collider that is called polygon collider. So when we add polygon collider, it will take a shape, so we don't need to manage it. Also we need to give an image script here, and the damage it does is instant damage. Let's see 100, or let's see 200 damage. If we have shield, it will be an instant damage. So bring it top here like this and copy a few times, and let's manage some shapes like this, like this, and let's create empty and reset empty and bring it. Okay, it is found here, so I'm going to, otherwise you can select this and copy its world transform and come here and paste world transform. It's there. Now simply select everything and bring it here and name it spike trap. Spike trap. So we have traps that we need to make our game. Another things that, guys, we'll make a range. I know you guys are thinking that so these are all traps where the main enemies, like, you know, birds or skeleton or any kind of zombie, Where are those enemies? You know, you see a patrolling enemies. Okay, he patrols from here to here. He will not follow me, so we can make that enemies. We'll ask ChatGPT. So just wait and see how we can make a whole 2D platform game just by using Unity and ChatGPT, guys. It's so easy, it's so cool, and you will love it. So let me eat a banana. Okay, I will eat that banana later. So let's start. Should we start our game? So let's start our game. So let's see here. I am selecting player. So we have 70 health, 100 shields, 0 coin, 70. We have 70 health that is capped to 100. So above 100 we will not have any health. If we collect any shields, any healing item, we will not get any health. Shields, it is same for shields. If we collect more shields than 100 digits, it will not register. And we can collect as many coin as we want, and we can collect. That's it. So let's see. Here we selected shield, so this shields gives 3 shields, so it registers 3. And let's see this health. How many was that? 20. Okay, 50. This coin gives 50 coin. And here again we forgot to give this box collider 2D and trigger. It will not change when we exit out, guys. Just remember that. I am looking. So again I am going to look enemy script. So enemy script is a trigger. It should be trigger on collision. It's not a trigger, so we will, you know, just we'll just be like sticking to the object. Will not get any damage. We will not get any damage. See here, 90. We will not any get damage, guys, because the script there is because in the script we have on collision 2D, on collision into 2D, but here in the collider, collision affects the collider. So in collider, for the cactus it is trigger, but when I remove the trigger, now let's see it damage. Now it will damage, now it will damage, now it will damage, now it will damage. Currently play is not getting continuous damage, guys. We will walk through that. Player should get continuous damage. So here it's getting damage, so here it's getting damage, getting damage, getting damage. And initial scene could not be because their bundle loaded. So in the player scene management, let's see the initial scene name. So the line cut out, line cut off. So what I was going to do was uh, we need to have a checkpoint in our game. So I want ChatGPT to, you know, give me code where, let's see, let's assume that box, sprite, and square. Let's assume that this is a area. This is some area where, you know, there is a save point, maybe a healing area where you can save, or bench where you can save, or a gate, you know, where you can sit and save the game. So this is saving area. So there are multiple areas like save scenes. So here is another, and maybe here there is another saving area. Okay, So when player comes and he interacts with this, game saves. So if I die over here, I will respawn here. And also if my player into locations, then rather than spawning in here, he will spawn now. Rather spawning here, he spawn here. If he dies somewhere here, then he'll spawn here. Or he uh, saves here and comes over here and again dies here, he'll spawn here no matter what. And if he has here, he has the save point here, and he comes here and plays the game and dies over somewhere else, and then he will spawn here. So this is the save point logic that I am going to make. And also control D, let me do control D and bring it here. Let's make this game quite nice this time. So let's see, we have here, we have this here, this, and control D, and here, and this is like this, and here we have this, and we have a control D platform, right? We'll code platform to moving platform, but for now let's say we have a platform here, control D, and another one right here like this, control D, right here like this, right here like this. Let's just assume that now our player died here. So let's assume that our player died here without getting this checkpoint. Then what will happen? Then if the player doesn't have any checkpoints, the game will restart. It will go back to start. That's the point. So let's open our new play script. Control C. Let's go to ChatGPT. Here I want, so what is the name of that? Let's see, initial scene name and checkpoint. Okay, that when my player here I want to have a multiple check points that will, here I have multiple checkpoints so that I can control where player spawns when he dies. Multiple checkpoints so that player spawns to the last saved checkpoints, and if no checkpoints were saved, the game will restart. Also, is there any way to make sure when player has checkpoints, the checkpoints saves every data like coin, player health, coin, player health, coin, player health, shield, coin, player health, shield. That is item from this. So we have a script. We have a script called the collectible script, guys. So items from this, we need to change the collectible script to. So from this script, and also updates UI. So we asked a little bit complex question to ChatGPT, and now we'll do one thing. So we might need a UI manager for that. Okay, we asked a little bit complex code. So first let's first come here and copy everything. We don't have scene management here. Nice. We need to have a scene management here. We'll have a problem. Absolutely, we'll have a problem because we do not have a scene management. So we need to build settings. So here, so let's go file and build settings. Let's ask Control C ChatGPT. So it will teach us. So let's go on top menu in Unity, select file, choose build settings. In the build setting, click Windows and add open scenes button. This will add all currently open scenes to all the settings. Okay, let's go here, file, build settings, add open scenes, and close. Here we do not have any scene management. That is the problem, guys. That is not the problem because the script, the script is not looking for the scene management. So Unity scene management, scene manager. So let's go here, Control X, sorry. So we need to scene management using code. we need this. uh, let's see if what the script that it gave us actually does. So here, control this and X, let's type using and P and come here and simply just remove this and save it. I won't forget to save here, and I won't forget to save here too. खाजा खायो यार. So let's see. Okay, good. So let's see. Nuclear. What do we have? Initial checkpoint name. Initial scene name. So initial scene name is sample scene. So SAMPLE sample scene. And checkpoint scene. Checkpoint is not a scene, so that was the problem earlier. So let's select this script and come here, paste. Well, checkpoint scene. Well, checkpoint is not a scene but a trigger or saving zone which will save player stats at before and restart the game whenever player dies at that checkpoint dies. I want to have a multiple checkpoints in my game. Let's see. Control C. Let's come here and Control A, Control V, and let's go and see what Unity was typing. To implement this checkpoint method, now take a checkpoint name along with its position. It stores this information in the checkpoint direction where the player dies. It loads the sequence and sets the respawn position to the position to the last checkpoint. Method respawn last position, last checkpoint to respawn the player at the last for testing purpose. Triggered by pressing R key. Okay. It made it more complex, guys. So go to the player. Let's see. Initial scene name. Sample scene. Okay, now we die. If we die, we will respawn to there. We are not moving. It misunderstood our way. our method. So let's see if building the machines can help again. It won't help. So checkpoint is a game object to which player interacts like triggers. Man, just do you understand? So I want multiple checkpoints. It is not making a checkpoint. It should make a see, that is why I keep telling you guys to save your give me a code and fix this here. I want to add multiple checkpoint in my game. Also, I want to restart my scene when player dies. But if he dies by passing through a checkpoint, let's assume that is checkpoint A, then he will respawn at checkpoint A. But if he dies without passing through any checkpoint, he will the game will simply restart. Checkpoints. I want my checkpoint to be manageable in Spectre and in Shin. I want to have multiple at multiple location. I location. Okay, let's see. Now it has given us. See, I wanted this. I wanted it to give me. I knew what I wanted, but for you guys, I wanted him to give me this. This is called array. So we'll have a list drop down where we can put our checkpoints manually. You know, we need to have checkpoints in some places manually. So this is what I wanted. Simple. And let's see. Let's copy this. Let's come here, and paste. Let's see. Checkpoints. See, now we have list. So we can go here, create, reset its position, and go here, name it checkpoints. Do this and come here and add another empty object, reset its position, and chk pt1, and bring it here, and just bring it here for now. Okay, and let's select clear, and here one, and checkpoint is here, one checkpoint. So let's see if our player moves. Also, I know the problem is with this scene. I want to be able to load my scene when player dies manually. And guys, the problem here is that uh, it gave me a code, and I overlooked and just copied it. So sometimes you need to just look at your code and figure out what you have done mistakes. So when I was copying my code, I forgot to look for my movement code that it didn't give me. So let's see here. So maybe it told me to just keep it as it is, and I overlooked it. So reset please stat your damage. See here your damage logic. So sometimes it does that. You have to be careful. So now I'm going to control V. Please give me my full code till this point. Now it is giving the velocity. Nice. Now our player will just walk. So it has said that when I press R, the here for the testing purpose, when I press R, the player will respawn to its previous location. So it is just for a test purpose. When I've tested, I will say I've tested. Now remove this. That's it. Okay, now checkpoints, player. I didn't copy. Sorry. So let's go here and let's copy everything. Let's copy everything and let's come here. Sorry. Control X. Let's come here and paste everything here. Let's go to our game. So let's click player and let's see. We have the death scene name, death scene. Now we need to change this as AM sample scene. See, the benefit of having this is that I can create a death scene. In if you have played like the uh, Batman Arkham game, when he dies, a different scene occurs that Joker comes, maybe some other enemy come and they mock you, and after that it will go to the beginning or the checkpoint or the beginning scene. You can imply that by creating a different death scene, and in that death scene you can imply that load now this scene or load the checkpoint. So we will not go through that many problem at once. We'll simply make it look visually pleasing and we will walk through those mechanics later. So are you with me, guys? This is so simple to make a 2D game. So simple. So let's go. Let's do this. So let's go here. My player is not moving. Maybe some code is tampering with the code API implementations because I do not see any error logs and everything in Spectre and scene is fine. I think the code logic somewhere is wrong. So now I need to get some rest, guys, because you will break your head, your heart. I know the problem is the scene, but because the moment you know I don't have that scene. I want to be able to handle my scene manually. Just by typing scene name. Also, give me the public transform for initial checkpoint so that when player dies without having any other checkpoint, then it will spawn at initial checkpoint and game will I'm going to ask give me full code. I'm not going to take any risks here. checkpoint is not defined. So this gonna be new tag, add tag, check point. Okay, checkpoints, clear, checkpoints, checkpoints, and these all are gonna be checkpoint. And load scene here is gonna be shampoo scene, and initial checkpoints is going to be here. See, die, 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 die. The spawn position I want to make private. I want to set spawn position using T game object shim menu. Ah, let's copy. Code, come here, paste. uh it is tagged as checkpoint. It is not. So checkpoint, and you, my boy, copy world transform and go paste world transform. Let's see. Let's kill our player. Let's unalive our player. By the way, this rage body is gonna kill me. Our enemy, patrolling enemy. In patrolling enemy, we have a box glider only. Now I'm going to ask it some questions. So how to manage in my scene? Welcome later, guys. Let's see. Let's create initial checkpoint in the unit editor. Right click hierarchy and select create empty. Name initial checkpoint. Name the empty game object initial checkpoint. Okay, I am going to name it initial checkpoint. So let's go and in here name it the way it's told us to do, and position it to design initial spawn locations. Select your player game object, player inspector task, new player component inspector, and the initial checkpoint field. Drag the initial checkpoint game object from the hierarchy into this field inspector. Okay, now here player and initial checkpoint, so that is there, and this name it also initial checkpoint. Copy here, copy world transform and paste here initial checkpoints. Also create additional checkpoints. For each checkpoint, right click hierarchy and select create empty checkpoint 2, position them in desired locations. I want them to be able to be put on the 2. See this first. See, Control C and add tag here and name it initial checkpoint save. So let's give me this here and save. Let's see. No. So let's play R if this works. Sing R works, but now give me the code where he dies, he spawns at initial checkpoint. I don't want to press any key. I just want to spawn my character when he dies to the initial checkpoint. The problem was that, guys, we needed to press reset key. Again, we asked him to fix that. He set a key value and we don't need that, so I asked him just respawn. After we do this, we will add a, let's see, R key, and then not working. Okay, good. Now, okay, now it is working. Works great. So okay, when he dies, does he keep or lose his stat? Here he will lose his stat. Okay, here what? Let's see, player coin. Let's see, player. He lost all of his stats. Okay, okay, good. Code script works fine. He will say, great, thank you. Okay, can we add a script to for the save questions that will keep player stat and reload the scene the save location is going to be a tgame object. So when he dies, the dies after triggering save location, he will now not respawn at the initial checkpoint, but now instead he will spawn on this tgame object. Also make it like also I want to have a multiple save locations, so like save location 1, 2, 3, 4, and each time player passes through the location, the stat are saved for saved, and he will spawn at last saved location. Understand what I am trying to do and give me changes in my code in a full code, and also give me script if I need to add to the save location script. Okay, it gave me a script called save locations. So control C, and let's come here and add another script. Let's see the name, save location, control C. So let's change the name first, or rename it. Control V, save location. Now let's add a save location. Is it our save location script here? Control C, and here Control V, and save it. And C, create empty, and name it save location and enter, and let's add save location script here. Again, it did not give me the multiple save location. Game object as a trigger. And I need array to define a save location. If full quotes, I'm going to copy this. We'll see and come here. P. This is not changed. Maybe please script had some changes for save locations. Let's see. No, it doesn't. It doesn't have any. Full code also. Script. Let's see if our script, play script has something. No, script doesn't have anything. Save location. Just put it right here. Just put it right here. Right here. Now it is not working because again speed is good, everything is good. Give me full code, do not skip any logics or codes. We'll see. It will be come here, player, let's play my game. So our checkpoint, where is our checkpoint? Save location is there, so I'm going to put it right here. Let's pass through this, and initial checkpoint is there. Okay, let's see. Here I want to make save location 1 2 3 4 5, and also keep player stat when save location is, I remember, no box collider and no trigger, because it is trigger. So let's see guys, let's see. Maybe I did some mistakes. We have to, understand everything. So save location trigger. So now we die, we die. Let me see, player seal 3 coins 0. So keep play start is trigger only start game when no save location is true. Start and start game 1 was triggered. So let's see if this works, and me changes to new layer script. Let us see changes to new player script save location. Let's see. For the save locations, show New player, does it have index? Show will have index. uh, like this has index of 1 maybe, and maybe when we copy our this, let me go here. So let me see if this has a save location index method put into the code. So let's see. Show player, control C this, control V here, and go to here, up, see how the index will be called when I cannot. I just I wanted to have a empty game object as my save location, so multiple game object location instead of int save index and to end when player interacts with that one of the save location, he should respawn at the last interacted save location. Fix everything in this script according to this, and if I need another script to manage this logic, please let me know and give it to me. full quotes. Okay, let me go through like this. Control C. I think I am doing my mistakes. I am being no bits, a little bit bits. So here we don't need any index, as I have come to know. So in new player maybe we will not have any index. Full script without any skip.
I don't really care, just keep
Okay. Give me a game manager script that will save the player stat, and when the player respawns after player spawns after dying, when figuring the save location, the stat from game manager will be his new stat. So update UI. If he dies without interacting to the save location, then he will spawn at the still shield checkpoint. Checkpoint. And those are is that. As Control A, Control C, Control V, location control C, V, and this control C, this. Now give me full functioning script. Do not give any code lines. Two scripts you back out. This is the problem with ChatGPT if you do not have a premium plan. See again. And so let me see. We're just trying to make a good functioning game mechanic here. Loading scene. Let's see, what did I copy first? I'm copied new player script, so it goes here and this goes here, and maybe new game manager, and this goes here. Let's copy this here and now paste right here. this is the problem, and this is the this is the problem, and these are the script. Let's me put Ctrl A, Ctrl C, V, and save location, Ctrl C. We do not have the index right there, that is why that issue is coming. Maybe it will fix the save location. Yes, I knew that. So nothing is changed, and then why am I getting this error? So I need to so get rid of it and give me full new player script. We know that we need to get rid of that, but sometimes we need to adjust other, like, what is that? Here, full script. Hmm. Come here and new player. Okay, not compare tag, but a game object. Full fixed code. I want to make that game object to be able to put, so give me full script is that is new player game manager and save session script. you lacked. Give me full. This is the problem of using chat. come here and do this, go here and here stop, so copy this, Control C, let's go here and in game manager Control V, here it stopped, so again go here and come here, copy these, go here, enter and paste. Let's see. It save layer stat, save play stat, Control V, set V health, and here is the problem. So delete this and everything will be fine. A new player, go in here and new player, copy all these, and let's Control C and put it here. So let's see. So no errors. This name initial, sample scene here, and player is good, save location is good, and let's ask one thing, how do I implement game manager? Okay, so we need to create a empty game object, reset everything and name it game manager, enter. Then we need to do this, and now player is here, sample scene is here, and also save locations, put it here too. And also the we need, now we are going to use the, we have here in the game manager coins text, seal text, coins text, health text and seal text. So I want to add a UI element to my game as it is in my game manager. How do I do that? Also, they should update when player collects them. So give me full code that does that, and also walk me through how to do that. I know how to do it, but let's ask ChatGPT. it will update our game manager. This is my game manager. So simply, I'm not going through that. So let's see how I fix my this problem. So I go to UI legacy, I implement text, and I copy text 3 times and name it coins, and I name it health, and I name it skill. Also, if you click here, see, let me drag my scene here so you can see. So if I put it right here, it goes here, and if I click this right here, it goes here, and if I click this and put it right here, and it goes here. So initially it goes 0, it also goes 0, it also goes 0, 0, 0, it also goes 0, and I simply need to do one thing. Coins goes coins, health goes to health, and shield goes to shield. And I need to do one thing. When I play, so let's see if our UI updates, our game doesn't play. So game manager, player is a new player. I'm getting this error, this error. See, so there is parenthesis error somewhere here. Full fixed code. Let's full fixed code. I don't see any problem here, but you know why it shows me that problem. Well, let's see if that's the case. Let's just copy this all. Let's see if there is any. Okay, nothing. So come here and paste, and let's go to our scene. Display. Sample. Game is 1. So let's come here to our game. See player. And game manager, the setting currently no the settings. Nothing. So let me give Control C, V, and again Control C, V again, Control C and V. Start with rolling here. Fix. Okay. Control C, Cam Manager, V. So now it will work, I think. Let's see. Cam Manager, initial scene name, sample scene. So let's see. Well, when I play my game, it says sample scene is loading 1 and game is freezing. Uh, I think I have a save new player script. Let me open script, new player script, and save location. Delete. Again, I'm going here, save location, Control C, V, here, Cam Manager, Control C, Control V, and can you play C, Control V. Try understanding why what I am doing here and give me fixed code for this script. make UI to update in every script. You stopped here. I have a text component in my game to be updated as a queen as a queen health skill. C, and here control V. Collectible should be updated to C. Do I need to buy this suit to update UI? Here. Let's see if it works now. Protection level update UI doesn't have update UI is a protection level of private, so we need to manage update UI is right here. So protection level of the game managers update UI should be public, maybe. Okay, public, it should be public. As I knew, it should be public, so we can change the so now it is public. So let's see. Maybe now we will not have any problem here. Maybe again. Okay, for this canvas and game manager, coins, textures are there, save location, shield checkpoint, player, coins text, health text, and shield text. It has updated our UI, but we have problem in loading scenes again. So in game manager we have initial scene name, that is sample scene. what is what is happening in all these codes? Why is my game see sample scene is loading? This at sample scene is loading when I am playing my game. Why is and I am getting in my hierarchy window? See if I have any of that. In my these codes. So let me provide it my codes. Game manager, control C, come here, control V, and let's come here, new player, control A, control C, come here, control V, and save location, control A, control C, and control V, and also collectible, control A, control C, and control V. Okay, it says there is no issue. Let me change my scene name then. Scene sample scene name scene 1, and let me go to game manager and sample scene 1, and let me go to player and rename it scene 1. Let me go to my new player script. Maybe here we can find some issues. tell me what should I do in my vector according to those scripts. Attach game manager script to integrate scene. The UI, okay, done that. New place script. Maybe I do not need to player. I should do this. It is empty. So come here and name it shampoo. Okay, scene 1. Let me open my collectibles. Let's see. Non-game manager. We do not have game manager here. That is the problem. So let's attach this game manager here. So I need to do this, and I need to attach game manager right here, and maybe this will work. And there is a value in my game manager. I don't want that. So let me collectible scene coin value. Okay, these are the values. One, two, three, 4, 6, 7, 9, and the game manager, that player is good. Initial checkpoint is good. Save scene is good. Enemies, let's see if I have anything in my enemies here. No. Shape location, no. This is also not. I have put. So let me do one thing, guys. I am putting it here. So I am going to give ChatGPT what I have. So I named my scene as scene 1, and it my death setting of new player script. In the vector I named show scene name to scene 1. Also I attached every UI means, that is coins, health and skill to the expected fields. Also for each of my collectibles I have chosen the type of collectible and added the value. Also I test game manager script, game manager game object. I have application script test to empty game object. My game manager also has player reference, coins, text, health and shield fence, and initial scene name as scene 1. So what could be the problem? When I start my game, it says scene 1 loading and the game is frozen. There is no other issue. I think the codes scripts are overlapping, or some what do we call, some logics. It's overlapping here. These are my codes. If you want any preference, so new player, control C, game manager, control C, save location, control C, V, collector C, control V. Also I need to check one thing in here, build settings, change nuance. Okay,